Welcome back to Review Corner, where today we've got the Outin Mino coffee machine, born to be outdoors. So let's go try it out.
Okay, so let's make coffee with the Outin Mino. I've prepared some ground coffee from the Outin Mino. So we're using Colombian Supremo today. Yum. So this is designed to make an espresso size coffee. You could expand it with a bit more hot water. I've got a bit of milk and sugar there as well. So on the thing here it says maximum 70 milliliters. I think I'm going to fill it all the way up. And then we put the coffee in the bottom. Comes with a cup as well. You've got a scoop here. Use a spoon to fill this up. I haven't got a spoon, so I'm just going to scoop some out of this. We'll try about that much. Like. So I got enough for a few coffees in there this morning. That's cool. That goes in there. You can use this to tamp it down then as well. Alright. Back on the bottom. Get the cup to catch it. Bit of water in the top, and we're done. And then to get the coffee, just hold the button. And now we wait for perfect coffee. So it's just going to warm up first, prepare it, and then once it's good to go, it'll kick into the next set and then start drawing the water through. Nah, I didn't quite read it properly there, did I? Cold water and brew, press and hold. Hot water and brew, double short press. That's what I want. There we go. First attempt, not right. So I pressed it twice. It came out cold. I'm going to try holding it this time. Maybe our label's wrong. So you actually need to hold it down for a hot brew. So our label is wrong on mine. So it's taking a couple of minutes to warm up. Got this coming through now. Outin. You can see the coffee at the bottom, look. Oh, if I put too much water, whoops. This is what my little espresso looks like. Let's give it a try. I don't normally drink it black, but let's give it a go. Oh, that's strong. Yeah, that's good. I might get into black coffee actually. That's a wake-up kick. That's good. Another one of these now, I'd be good to go.
Okay, so as you've seen, cracking bit of kit to be used outside. The label was wrong, so it's actually hold it down for hot. It could just be my label. And it's double tap for cold brew, which is a lot quicker, especially in the cold conditions I had on that camp. Took quite a little while to heat up the water, maybe let's say 5 minutes to heat up the water, but it's still a lot easier than setting up your stove, lighting it. You just tip a bit of water in the top and you've got real coffee that comes out the bottom. Comes with everything you need. The pod part was in this when I took it out of the box, so I had to swap it out for the ground coffee because that's what I use. It's a little bit more hassle, but then you haven't got the same rubbish, you know, care for the environment and all that. And in the box then, pretty neat little box. Comes inside a little carry pouch. Very nice little pouch. And then we've got the instruction manuals. Who looks at the manuals? Not me. Warranty on there. Not sure how long warranty you get. And then we've got USB to charge it up. No idea what that is. Some sort of tool to take it apart. It's got a little wedge on the end. Oh, see, he's got to look at the manual now, hasn't he? That is a basket removal tool. I mean, it's only a tiny little thing, but it feels well made. You could actually use that on your keyring as a little, what are they called? Like a roughneck bar, mini crowbar thing. And then the bottom part of the box, we've got these extra accessories. I've already seen the little scoop I used to fill up the coffee. This is the dosing funnel. I didn't use that, did I? So I guess that's just to stop the coffee falling out the sides of it. I didn't bother using that. And then this other part then, which comes pre-installed, that's what you need for a pod. So you can use a pod of coffee instead for more ease of use, but extra rubbish, as I say. When you're using it as well, you saw the light coming on. So white is for over 50% charge. It goes down to orange when it's over 30%, and then red when it's less than 30%. So it's nice and easy to see when you need to charge it up. Now, let's go and find out the weight of this, because it doesn't say in the manual. Alright, so we've got on here, it's a bit dark in here, 723 grams. If you fancy yourself one of them, I'll put the link below for you. Real coffee on the go without the use of a stove, just the push of a button. It's a really nice idea. And this is the Outin Mino. I'll put the link, the video button thing up there if you want to check that out. As you can see, slightly larger. But what you can do with this is grind your coffee before and then just take this bit to use in the Mino. As you can see, that is a very small device. I mean, like I said, it's like 700 grams. You can feel the weight of it, but what do you say? Is it worth taking it? I do love a proper coffee, so. And that's the only thing I use my stove for in the morning, just brewing up a coffee. Okay, thanks for watching that little review video. Catch you on the next one.